Did you know that Siri can actually read books to you? Check it out.
Teaching the behavior model now that you've seen how my behavior model applies to various types of behavior.
All right, let me show you how to set this up. It's actually pretty easy to do. I'm going to close that out. Close that out. We'll go into settings. Scroll up a little bit. Go to accessibility. And then go to spoken content. And all you have to do is turn on this speak screen right here. And you can read this a little bit underneath that. Swipe down with 2 fingers from the top of the screen to hear the content of the screen. Okay, so let's close this out. Let's go back into Kindle. And I will double swipe with 2 fingers. Swipe from the top down.
Script and watch how other people teach the model. The few minutes it takes to learn to teach the behavior model is a terrific investment of your time. Once you've learned the behavior model,
make it
you
read
can
a
apply
little
this in many
faster,
practical ways, including stopping or troubleshooting.
or
And that's what I
even
want to explain
2
next.
times
Follow the behavior model
faster.
image, using the behavior model to disrupt a habit now that
Or
you know
slower.
how motivation and ability work together and how
Too funny.
prompts are vital too.